Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSec Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to restore the contacts on your Google device, your Android phone. Just go to the top right and you want to go to your Google account. So on your Samsung phone you might have to scroll down to where it says Google. On the Google Pixel it's just on the top, so you want to go to Google Services. Here's your account, go to All Services. Scroll on down and we are looking for the option under here that says Restore Contacts. So this will sync your phone to whatever you have on your Google account. So here it is under Backup and Restore. Restore Contacts. And then it says no contacts on my account, so that's not going to work. So we can just go to Google Contacts Sync Settings. And we can just turn this on right here. Google Sync is turned on. Press this little thing right here. And it should start the sync. Nothing's on there. Also sync device and SIM contacts, so we can just turn this on. So if you have any thing on your your phone here, your SIM card or anything like that, you should be able to sync it. And I got nothing on there, so that's turned on. Then you can also look at these other backup and restore options. Google Contact Sync, so that's what we just did. Then we got the backup, so you can back up now right here. I'll back up your phone, photos and videos. Other device data, maybe if you had like text messages or something like that, you can look in here. You can look at the call history, device settings, etc. So you can see I'm maxed out with my storage here, 15 out of 15, so you can clear up your space right here too. But that's how you can back up and restore your phones and your contacts. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out.